Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to clean your laptop keyboard. In this tutorial I will show you that. So let's begin our video. So firstly we just take a dishcloth and firstly we clean our keyboard perfectly, and after clean our keyboard perfectly, and then we just need a cotton bud, here you can see, and need some water, or you can take alcohol or water. And after that I just take a water on cotton bud, and then okay, now do like that. And perfectly you need to clean your keyboard side. So here you can see some dust on here. So in this way you need to clean your every keyboard. You must be take alcohol. If you don't have alcohol, you just take some water. Okay, after that again use your cloth to wash this, and after that you must be, I recommend you must be need to your keyboard protector, and just use on here, use on your keyboard. Then you can protect your keyboard dust and water from water. So this is your tutorial, and in this way you can clean your laptop keyboard. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.